Sometimes we complicate business. We think that business is only for the rich people, business for the people that have deep pockets. But anyone can start a business. You don't need to have a lot of money to start a business. My name is Davis and I own my own exterior cleaning business. We clean everything outside: driveways, patios, decks, walls, gutters, roofs, and we are adding window cleaning. These are all services that you can easily start. That's why starting a business, you don't have to overcomplicate it. It is not difficult to start a business. And sometimes we think, oh, I need a lot of capital to start a business. But really, you don't need a lot of capital to start a business. You just have to consider a service business, and then you just start. You can look around. What services could you provide? Starting in your community. Do people have dirty windows and they need them to be cleaned? That is a business. Do people need their gutters to be cleaned because there's dirt, leaves, and they're full? That is a service. Because with a dirty gutter, it prevents the natural flow of water, and it can damage the walls and damage the foundation of the house. So that is a service people will be willing to pay for. Roofs, that is a service that one can start by cleaning the roofs of people. Of course, you need to get the right equipment. Lawn care. People love to clean to make sure that their grass is cut and their fences are trimmed, their plants are taken care of. So that is a service that you can provide. Maybe it is a service to pick up food, like food delivery. You pick up food from one place, from a restaurant, and you take it to clients. Maybe it is laundry. You don't have a laundry mat, but you can pick up clothing from people's houses. You go to the laundry mat, wash them, and you take them back to them. As time goes by, you can decide to open your own laundromat. You can provide cleaning cars. People love their cars to look nice, to look clean. You can start small with the essential equipment or tools or products, and you're cleaning cars. Before you know it, you have a number of clients, and then you keep on improving. So business, sometimes we complicate it. We think that we need a lot of capital to start a business. But really you don't. You don't need a lot of capital to start a business, especially service businesses. So I would encourage you to start your own business. Start your business in 2026. Sometimes we think, oh, I don't have a lot of time to start another thing, but yet you're struggling financially. It is like hand to mouth every month. But yet we have a window that we have every time we finish work in the evenings. We have some time there, and also we have time on the weekend. What if you could be intentional this year? Maybe you've not been intentional last year, but you start being intentional in this year, 2026. That every block of time before I go to bed, between when I come back from work, my 9 to 5, and when I go to bed, that window, I want to start something. I want to do something, even over the weekend, Saturdays, that over a period of time, it starts gaining momentum, and it could potentially pay you even more than your 9 to 5. You can decide either to go full into your business, go full time in your business, or just continue building it as you work a 9 to 5. So don't complicate the word business, starting a business. Don't have that fear, oh, if I start a business, I'm going to fail. People fear failure. But failure is really good because you can learn from it. Anyone, actually, when it comes even to employing people, especially in business, if someone started something and they failed, there's a lot of lessons and experience they've got from that. So that is a skill, that is wealth that you have if you fail at it. So don't fear to fail anything. Start things, especially if you're coming even from, you've just graduated. It will be good to start a business as you wait to be employed, and when you get a full-time job, continue fueling time and resources, your mind, your effort, your money into your own thing, and just be consistent. Just show up. Before you know it, something big can come out of it. So consider starting a business in 2026. There are many jobs these days that AI is replacing. You don't want to fall victim. If you're in the service business, many service businesses, it will be many years before AI will ever, some businesses, AI will never replace them. Most of service businesses, AI will never replace them. But anything that has to do with office jobs or sit down, computer work, and you're doing that, please think about your exit plan. And you can start it while you're doing your 9 to 5, and you use the block of time that you have in the evenings and on the weekends and plan your exit. Because you don't want to be caught unawares where you're laid off, because these days, business owners are looking for ways to optimize their revenue. They don't want to spend money on paying people. So they're trying to invest in AI and robots and all of that. So you don't want to be caught in that web where you lose your job and you don't know what is next. So please consider starting a business in 2026. Just look around. What problem do people have? What pain point do they have? And you could provide a solution. You could provide a solution. So if you got any value in this video, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also I created a membership where I have a community of people that are also going where you would love to go, building something. So you could also consider clicking the join button to become a member of this channel. And also please leave a comment below. What are some of the services that you could start in your area? What are some of the problems that you could solve in your area? Please leave that comment below. I endeavor to answer everyone who does leave a comment. So until next time, thank you.